Let's learn the running stitch. Running stitch is basically a series of straight stitches with small gaps in between. We'll start from point 1. Bring your needle up, and then insert it down at point 2. Now, as you can see, there is a gap between 2 and 3. From point 3, bring the needle up again, and take it down at point 4. Make sure all your stitches are of equal length. That way, your running stitch will look neat and clean. Now, from point 05, bring the needle up and go down at 06. Once you are comfortable with this method, you can directly bring the needle from one point to another in one go. As shown in the video, you can use whichever technique feels easier to you. Basically, we use the running stitch in hand sewing to create gathers. To finish the back side of your hoop, running stitch is often used too. In embroidery, we can use running stitch to create various patterns. Now let's try the running stitch on a curved line. The method is the same, just adjust your stitches according to the curves. As you can see here, I've created a flower using the running stitch. I used 2 thread colors. First, I did the running stitch in blue, and in the gaps I added pink stitches. So this is how you can use the running stitch in your project. Now let's lock the stitch at the back. And this is how it looks from the back. And that's how you do a running stitch. Can't wait to see what you create with it. Happy embroidering!